Hey Linux admins, Jack Wallen here to help you get things done. With the release of Ubuntu 22.04, configuring a default gateway with NetPlan has changed. Let's find out how to do this using the new method.
The old method of defining your default gateway in NetPlan was simple. View the NetPlan configuration file with the command cat/etc/netplan/00-installer-config.yaml. You should see a line like gateway 4:192.168.1.1. Let's say your gateway address is 192.168.1.1. To define that in the new release of NetPlan, open the file for editing, altering the command if your configuration file has a different name with the command sudo nano/etc/netplan/00-installer-config.yaml. Locate the stanza for the network interface you want to change. For me, that stanza is ENS5. In that stanza, to configure the default gateway, you'd add or edit the following lines right above the name servers section. Routes: -2: default via: 192.168.1.1. Save and close the file. Apply the configuration with the command sudo netplan apply. You should now be able to reach the outside world from that server.
If you want to see more how-to videos, subscribe to our How to Make Tech Work YouTube channel. Also, check out Tech Republic for the latest news in tech.